The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Alright, bro, God. Me come to tell you what the people them out here say. Me come to tell you what the people them say. Bro, God, them say when this coronavirus thing start, you and Minister Tufton was doing such a wonderful job in curbing this coronavirus. Them say, you know, say if you call election, there's a possibility that this coronavirus will spike out of hand. But them say yet still you still run and call election because you want to be in control of the country so much. You forget about the consequence of coronavirus, so you went ahead and you call election. Them say now that the old people them a drop like fly. Them say the coronavirus target the old people them and them a drop like fly. It used to be 1, 2, now it have be 5 and 10 people are dead a day. So them say if you ask yourself, if you are going to help bury the old people them will die from the coronavirus. Them say them notice you and Bill Gates in some conversation. Them say them yes Bill Gates give you some money. Them say where you and Bill Gates did that talk about, that's where them want to find out. Them say, them hear you say, there's a possibility that there's a vaccine coming soon to the market. And as soon as the vaccine arrives, you gonna give Jamaican the vaccine for free. Them say which part in Jamaica you hear anything give for free. That's not my opinion, I just what them say. Them say, it look like I mark I be if you want to impose on the people them. That's what them say. Them also say one pastor man out and Peter Chambers a beat you bad. And they say, whether Paul Chambers or Peter Chambers, that's when I time you go as far as call up your wife's name. Them never like that, you know, bro, God, but them never say nothing either. Them say, you know, if you pay Peter Chambers no mind. No, me see so, that's way them say. Them say look like him a false prophet because him say angel of God come and tell him say, you know, end up go win the election, but yet still win by landslide. So them say you must pay Peter Chambers no mind. Bro, God, the people them out here wonder them have all kind of things to say and them all kind of opinion. You want me tell you who say it? You want me tell you who are the people them? Both the GLP and the PMP. Them skeptical and them curious. Them I wonder what is really going on. Them say them if I know say America give you some bed and all them kind of something. That means that them I expect more people dead from the coronavirus. Them say them give new hospital to put out on ball field and make it bigger and all them kind of something. That means that the expectation is way beyond. Bro, God, the people them out there, they're skeptical, them scared, and them worried, and them ask you, what is really going on? Not my opinion, not my views. And that with them out here say, them may not.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And I have another video that I'm going to present to you, and I just presented to you a video that shows a person who is trying to let the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness, know that the persons are asking questions, isn't it? And I assume that the person is talking about Jamaicans asking questions. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, viewers and subscribers, on a real, some of the things that this person said, I heard persons really and truly ask these questions. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, with my own 2 ears, I heard persons ask these questions and also talk about these things. You see me? Yeah, and in my point of view, I think that many persons within the country of Jamaica are worried, are concerned about the COVID-19 and what's going to happen. You see what I'm saying to you? But anyways, let me know what you think about some of the things that this person had said, and I'm going to move on to another video right about now. Alright? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person talking about politics within the country of Jamaica. This person talk about the electronic voting system, and this person also talk about the EOJ. And to my understanding, EOJ means the Electoral Office of Jamaica, or Electoral Office of Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? This person said some things that gave me the understanding that he's trying to point it out that the elections within the country of Jamaica can be rigged. See? He said some things that gave me the understanding that he's trying to say that elections within the country of Jamaica can be fixed in a way to benefit a political party within the country of Jamaica. I'm presenting this video to you so that you can listen to some of the things that this person had said, and you can also let me know if you think this person is right or wrong according to some of the things that this person had said. Alright? Now, here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Mr. Panton, may I show the whole Jamaican people, may I bet none of you try to sue me. I'm speaking this on indigenous ground. Try and challenge the indigenous authority if you all got any balls. Trick on a dirty dog, because you will not trick I. So, let's go on. So, the electronic voting system used by the EOJ is one developed by Cambridge Analytical. Cambridge Analytical is owned by Ted Cruz. Ted Cruz, we have multiple pictures with Ted Cruz and Mr. Panton as a GLP functionary from they were at Princeton together. When Mr. Cruz was going up in politics, there was a question about the company he owned in Jamaica with Nigel Clark and David Panton. We have no secrets. Everything must be free, fair and open. We need to stop going like they can take my people for fool. No. Then this happens now. The night before elections, all of a sudden, do you know that it was Mr. Ryan Peralta, if you remember serves well, who was the head of the EOJ when they was charged to do the work to put in place an electronic voting system for Jamaica. But the electronic voting system that was chosen was patented to Mr. Ryan Peralta. What kind of criminality did the Jamaica government allow? That a functionary who is getting a salary from the Jamaican government in his office at the EOJ patents a system for the EOJ to himself. That means for every vote cast in Jamaica electronically, Mr. Peralta and his heirs and descendants get paid. How can it be that an electronic voting system is owned by a functionary, a former functionary of a political party, and the patent is owned by Ryan Peralta? What kind of criminality that? When it also said there again, I say you have more than enough reason for revolution. It doesn't necessarily need to violence. It doesn't need to be systematic, on point, dedicated, focused, unrelenting and uncompromising. What kind of scam is that? The electronic voting system used by the EOJ is patented to a former head of the EOJ who is a former JLP minister, Mr. Ryan Peralta, and his heirs and successors. Why is it not patented to the EOJ? Do you see that? What is that system developed by a company owned by Ted Cruz, who is a business partner and college friend with GLP functionary Mr. Panton, and is in business with the present Minister of Finance of Jamaica that came out, him and Nigel Clark and Panton in business. Use his system. We can rig it to rig your elections. It's the same Cambridge Analytical system that created the confusion in the Ohio elections. Now, do you see the thread?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You know, 2 videos that are out on social media, and you know, comments have been made about these videos on social media. And you know, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what they think about some of the things that this person had said. In my point of view, I think it is important to know what's going on within your country. So I bring these videos to you so that you can hear some of the things that these persons had said, and you know, to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Some of the things that the person in the first video said, you know, I found it amusing in a way. So may I say, but at the same time, viewers and subscribers, I am not saying that everything that the person said is actually true. Not everything. You see me? But some of the things. Alright? Now, the second video that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, on a reel, the person said some very interesting things. You understand? You see me? I say? So, wanted to listen carefully to the things that the person had said. As I mean, the video is right there. You can go and listen it again properly. You understand? Alright? Yeah, man. And, you know, show the support to the seriousskilla channel. Smash the subscribe button. Yes, smash it. Don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And, yeah. Let me know what you think about the 2 videos. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name seriousskilla, you know. On a big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.